Hello, my name is Ben Pierres, and I am a student in CS61B, and today I will be demonstrating my Project Zero gold point work. So let's first just run the simulation that we created. So I'm a scientist, I'm an astronomer, and I wanted to simulate the movement of planets, of a few planets in our solar system. Now, this is a great model, and it looks very pretty, but say I wanted to take the measurements halfway through, I would have no idea to know what Earth's current velocity is. I could only know until after the simulation has run its course. So for my gold project, what I did is I basically, if you can see from the text in the terminal here, I gave a lot more control to the user so that way they could, get a get some more accurate measurements and really manipulate the simulation so that they can use as much of it as they can and gather as much information from it as they can. So to demonstrate here, say, oh, what's the Earth's current position, X position on my simulation? I can pause it, and every time I pause it, it's going to give an accurate reading of the information of the systems going on, of the planets, of each planet there. I was like, oh, wow, well, that's pretty cool. So let's keep going. Oh, maybe I wanted to see what happened a few seconds ago. Well, I can rewind it until, I don't know, let's say I wanted to see right here. And voila, it still is going. Say I want to go back even further. Oh, but I want to go back a lot further. Well, I can just 2 times the speed of the simulation. But we don't have to pause it every time we want it to work. We just have to reverse and then hit the buttons. And above, when you run the program, it gives the user all of the control information. I mainly worked and did this through manipulating key bindings using the std draw library or the standard draw library, and did a couple other Googling to figure out and manipulated some of the physics for the reverse specifically. And then it also has a couple of conditionals to make sure the user doesn't to scuff up some bugs for some of those astronomers who are not very key savvy and would rather try to break the simulation, as we'll see here in a second. It will just automatically pause the program where it gets back to the beginning, so you can't just rewind it from the beginning, and then have it do a reverse part of the simulation. It will always start from time equals 0, from the time that you want it to start from. So that was my project. Thank you for watching.